come and snap me too. This is how it's supposed to be. Hello lovelies, good day and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a vlog video. So you can see me posing for pictures here. My daughter is taking my pictures here. I'm just posing, doing all sorts of things. She's just enjoying herself on the main road. So what we are doing here is we are waiting for our school bus to come pick her to school.
It's just getting
so
clear.
We are waiting eagerly for the school bus driver to come pick her to school.
Just leave like that.
So you can see me, I'm just posting. So you can see her here. She was complaining that the school driver did not come to pick her on time, that he always come late to pick her to school. So she was complaining and she's angry somehow. So I was just trying to calm her down that she shouldn't worry that the school bus will soon come. So she was laughing and enjoying herself again. Yeah. You see, I want to snap.
So
she's dancing on the main road.
Oh yeah.
Bye bye. I'm doing my video. Bye bye. Our schoolmates were telling me bye bye. So the school bus is gone. So I am here. I want to take our chair rather.
You no go let you enjoy yourself.
Upstairs.
Hey, sir.
Just enter the compound back. That is me. I want to spread all the laundry I did last night.
What is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, she dey cook anything, wala. This kind chef no get replicate. When she cook, you go salivate. Oh, yeah. When I say Sisiijebu'scorner, you say Sisiijebu'scorner. When I say taking over the world right now. Taking over the world right now. War right now. We're taking over the world right now. War right now. War right now. We're taking over the world right now. We're taking the war right now. We're taking over the war right now. The war,
Spreading my clothes. Anna's clothes are my clothes. Lovely. I washed these clothes last night. So I'm spreading them now on the hanger so that they can get dry.
Yeah, shit, oh. Yeah. What is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, she dey cook anything, wala. This kind chef no get replicate. When she cook, you go salivate. Oh, yeah. When I say IJBO, you say Sisiijebu'scorner. When I say IJBO, taking over the world right now. Taking over the world right now. War right now. Yeah, we taking over the war right now. War right now. War right now. We taking over the war right now. We taking the war right now. We taking over the war right now. The war, do.
This is my first vlog video ever. So I was taught not to stay on one niche, cooking every time. So this is my lifestyle. I'm showing you how I spread my laundries. So I'm done spreading my clothes.